Hey there, entrepreneurs. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let's dive into something absolutely crucial for your success, your website. Your website is more than just a digital storefront. It's the face of your business, the first impression many of your customers will have. It needs to be perfect. At Product One Creative, we don't just build your website and leave you on your own. We are committed to being your partner in this digital journey. We believe in ongoing support. Our relationship doesn't end once your website is live. In fact, that's just the beginning. Whether you prefer to manage your website yourself or leave everything to us, we've got you covered. We offer flexible solutions tailored to your needs. Picture this, your website's being built, with every detail crafted to perfection. Our team of experts ensures that every element is designed to enhance user experience and drive engagement. But it doesn't stop there. Launching your website is just the first step in a continuous process of growth and improvement. We're all about those regular check-ins, making sure everything's running smoothly. We monitor your website's performance and make necessary updates to keep it optimized. And if you ever want to dive into managing your site, we've got educational training videos as well as one-on-one training ready for you. These resources are designed to empower you with the knowledge to handle your website confidently. We teach you how to update and manage your website, if that's something you want. Our tutorials cover everything from basic updates to advanced features. But what if you'd rather focus on growing your business? We understand that your time is valuable and should be spent on what you do best. That's where we come in. Our team takes care of every aspect of running your website, including updates, maintenance, and security. And guess what? All of this is included for free when you host with us. No hidden fees, no extra charges, just pure, uninterrupted support. At Product One Creative, we understand the importance of a reliable online presence. Your website is a critical tool for your business, and we're here to ensure it performs at its best. Our team is dedicated to making your digital journey as smooth as possible so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. We handle the technical details so you don't have to. Ready to experience website support that goes beyond the build? We're excited to partner with you and take your online presence to new heights. Contact Product One Creative today. Our team is ready to assist you with all your website needs. Let's take your online presence to the next level. Together, we can create a website that not only looks great but also drives results. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Product One Creative, you're never alone in your digital journey. We're here to support you every step of the way.